Pandas, Gamada.tv.
Hello everyone, welcome to this video that will take you on a fascinating journey through the history of pandas from their appearance on Earth to the present day. First of all, it's important to know that pandas are not a very ancient species. In fact, their common ancestor with current bears only dates back about 20 million years. The first pandas were therefore bears, quite similar to those we know today. These early pandas lived in the forests of Asia, and they were omnivores, feeding on both plants and animals. Over time, pandas began to specialize in eating bamboo, which is now their main food source. However, about 2 to 3 million years ago, a branch of pandas began to evolve differently, becoming the famous giant panda. This unique species has many distinctive features, such as its black and white fur, large round head, and special adaptations for eating bamboo. Giant pandas are found only in the remote, mountainous regions of central China, and they are considered a national treasure. Despite their cute and cuddly appearance, giant pandas are powerful animals, capable of climbing trees and swimming in rivers. Unfortunately, pandas are now a threatened species. Their natural habitat is in danger, mainly due to deforestation and the expansion of human activities. Today, there are only a few thousand pandas in the wild, mainly in China. However, there is still hope for their survival. The Chinese government has established a network of protected areas where pandas can live and breed in safety. In addition, conservation organizations around the world are working to raise awareness about the plight of panda and to support conservation efforts. Significant efforts are being made to protect pandas. In China, natural parks have been created to protect their natural habitat, while captive breeding programs are being implemented to preserve the species. These programs have been successful in increasing the panda population, and many captive-born pandas have been released into the wild. In addition, scientific research is being conducted to learn more about pandas and their needs, which will help to guide conservation efforts in the future. That's it for this video on pandas. I hope you've learned some interesting things about this fascinating species, and that you will be aware of the cause of their protection. Feel free to share this video to help raise awareness of the situation of pandas today.
Thank you, Panda.